During the 17th century, the walled city known as Intramuros was established by the Spaniards as a model community. The friar engineers who built the government buildings, residential, and other structures incorporated European standards in their plumbing installations. During the 18th and 19th century, the Filipino plumbers were assigned the task of maintaining, repairing, and/or remodeling plumbing systems in all pueblos or towns, including churches, convents, and government buildings. The recognized plumbers then were called upon by the ilustrados, or the elite group, to act as consultants of plumber journeymen on matters pertaining to plumbing installations in villas and mansions. 20th century. Plumbing took a great leap at the turn of the 20th century with the arrival of the American soldiers, engineers, Thomasite teachers, doctors, and evangelists. Health and hygiene became priority when epidemics including cholera, leprosy, schistosomiasis, and other contagious diseases engulfed in the Philippines. The alarmed Governor-General Harrison issued a letter of instruction on proper waste disposal in all municipalities. 1902. The plumbing trade was duly recognized by the government. The city of Manila was the model community. Master plumber John F. Haas became the first chief of the Division of Plumbing Construction and Inspection. Through the initiative of the Filipino Master Plumbers, a plumbing code based on the Plumbing Code of the United States was incorporated into the building code for the city of Manila. 1935. Francisco Jeronimo, Mariano de Ocampo, Igmedio Suarez, Eusebio Mina, Jose Rivera, Raimundo Reyes Sr., Roberto Feliciano, Gregorio Lazaro, Raimundo Gumapak, John Jones, Trinitario Ortiz, Valentin Kasupanan, Catalino Kasupanan, Crispin Francisco, Teodoro Pastor, Cornelio Odvina, and Jesus Tangbaldera organized the National Master Plumbers Association of the Philippines, NAMPAP, and had it registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission. Initiated by the NAMPAP, the Department of Public Services of the City of Manila was created by an Act of Congress, City Ordinance 2411, otherwise known as the Plumbing Code for the City of Manila, was enacted in consultation with the NAMPAP. The practice of plumbing was eventually placed under the Department of Public Services, Manila. The national government, through the Bureau of Public Works and other cities and municipalities, adopted the Plumbing Code of Manila. NAMPAP spearheaded the enactment of a law regulating the practice of master plumbing in the Philippines. 1954. The Third Congress of the Republic of the Philippines, in its second session, approved, after the third reading, House Bill No. 962. This became Republic Act No. 1378. 1955. On June 18, 1955, Republic Act 1378, otherwise known as the Plumbing Law of the Philippines, was signed by President Ramon Magsaysay. 1959. On January 28, 1959, the National Plumbing Code of the Philippines, prepared by the NAMPAP, was promulgated and approved by Malacanang. NAMPAP also assisted in the passage of the law creating the National Water Works and Sewerage Authority, NAWASA. 1966 to 1969. The Board of Examiners for Master Plumbers and the NAMPAP prepared a curriculum for plumbing engineering that was approved by the Department of Education and was first introduced at the Fiat University. 1967. On November 28, 1967, the first amendment to the National Plumbing Code was approved, which affected the inclusion of asbestos cement pipe as an approved plumbing material. 1972. Before martial law in 1972, Republic Act No. 6541, otherwise known as the Building Code of the Philippines, was passed with the National Plumbing Code of 1959 as referral code in full text. 1996. NAMPAP President Jaime M. Cabase spearheaded the updating of the revised National Plumbing Code. 1999. Finally, in October 1999, NAMPAP submitted the draft code to the Board of Master Plumbers, BOMP, chaired by Engineer Fortunato H. Amosco. After careful review, the Professional Regulation Commission, under Chairman Hermogenes Pobre, adopted the revised Plumbing Code of 1999, which His Excellency President Joseph Ejercito Estrada approved last December 21, 1999, pursuant to Section 4 of Republic Act 1378, known as the Plumbing Law. In order to continuously upgrade the technical expertise of master plumbers and propagate the growth of the plumbing industry, NAMPAP have caused the holding of regular national convention as well as regional conferences such as Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, as well as the Mid-Year Forum where manufacturers, dealers, and suppliers of plumbing tools, equipments, materials, and services are given the opportunity to conduct product presentations for the benefit of the plumbing practitioners.